Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is great to have you along. It has felt like forever since I've been out on the bike, but we'll get into that after the intro. Shall see you in a second. So guys, welcome back. I hope you are all well. I hope you're enjoying the all of the Christmas spirit that is around. Or is it just me that just doesn't feel like it's Christmas at the minute? I don't know what's going on, but it has felt like forever since I've been out on the bike. Obviously, the last video we did was the last time we went out, and that was on one of Kay's maiden voyages. Unfortunately, she hasn't been able to get out on the bike lately either. We've had some seriously bad weather down here. We was meant to go up to meet up with Richa at my moto, and we woke up in the morning. We looked out and our street was just ice. Cars were really struggling to even get out, and yeah, well, it would not have been a good idea. So we decided to give that one a miss, but all the snow, all the ice has melted away. The sun has come out to play, and it's quite warm actually. It's about 9 degrees I think. So it's nice riding weather. And today, all I'm doing today is I'm just doing the dropping off the Christmas cards to relatives. And whilst Kay's working from home, because one of us has got to be the breadwinner, let's face it, one of us has got to be. So while she's grafting her backside off, I thought I'd just nip out. Obviously someone's with the kids, because the kids have broken up from school. Yay! It's quite funny, I actually have no idea where I am. Just been over to my mother's house. Call her mother. God, if she watches this she'll kill me. And obviously normally we just do motorways there and back. But I thought I want to take the scenic route, and as soon as I hit the town centre I'll know exactly where I am. But I've never left my mum's house to go to the town centre, so I don't have a clue where I'm going. But all roads lead somewhere. Thank you, Mum, for everything. What a beautiful tribute that is. So I just thought I'd do just a very quick, very quick story of my life, that is. Everything I do is quick. Hey, just ask the missus. Very quick video, really, because one, we're not getting content out at the minute. The weather's crap. We're both just rushed off our feet. Kay's obviously trying to build her confidence up as much as she physically possibly can, but when road conditions are bad, I think she might get a little bit nervous on those. So obviously I want to try and get out on New Year's Day and do a New Year's Day video, and I want to try and get Kay out on that with me. So yeah, just a quick video really. We just want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. Hope you have an amazing Christmas. I hope you eat loads and loads of food, get as fat as physically possible, and just enjoy it. It's the one time a year where the diet goes out the window and you can do anything and everything you want, within reason, shall I add. But when it comes to eating as much food as physically possible, Christmas is the exception where there's no consequences. Worry about it in the new year. I hope everyone has a great Christmas. I hope you drink plenty of beer if you drink, but obviously please be responsible. Let's not have any drink driving offences. Drink to moderation and just enjoy it. Get as merry as you like, but obviously leave the keys at home and use some form of public transport, because if you're like me and you get to a state where it's physically not possible to walk, you have to get a taxi. And then Kay has to get the taxi driver to pull over twice so I can get out the taxi to throw up. But shh. Alright, and we're getting onto some country lanes, so sit back, relax. And hopefully with that sun coming in from that side, it should be quite nice. Obviously had quite a lot of rain here because the fields are flooded. Yeah. That's only normally like a little like a brook sort of thing. So obviously they've had quite a lot of water for it to burst its banks that bad. Right guys, well that is all of the Christmas cards delivered to immediate family. So guys, in typical GoPro fashion, GoPro died on the ride out. So we're back at home now. Look, it's looking all festive and Christmassy. Look, oh yeah, it looks beautiful. But we've got the grafter there, breadwinner, earning, making us...
Not the breadwinner, which I was.
allowing us to put food on the table. But no, from both of us here at Cartwheels, we both just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
And a lovely Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope everyone gets everything they wanted.
Right guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one. I hope you stay safe, and we hope to see you out there.